Welcome to Pathfinders trainings, guys. I'm Yogeshwar, and the selling in the market continues. The market started selling around 11,800, and today it closed to 10,930. There are many stocks that have just crumbled down 30%, 40%, 50%, and this market is now scaring people. Now, people want to know till what level will this market go, and that is what I'm going to talk tonight. Tonight 9 to 11, I have a session, a free session about stock market trading, how it is done, how beginners and seasonal one can enter it, what are the risks that are in this market right now, and what a fantastic opportunity it is to build your portfolio to create long-term wealth. I'll be talking about options also. I'll also be talking about commodities and forex, and how you can take advantage of the fear of the market and the stocks that are down by lot 30-40%, how you can find buying opportunities into the oversold stocks. So tonight 9 to 11, you can go down, there is a link, register with the link, and in the night you can attend a free webinar. So see you there, and we will learn more about stock market there.